Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to use shortcuts to group and ungroup rows and columns in Excel. So in this example, I have an annual budget and my goal is to be able to display these quarterly summaries alone without the monthly details. To do this, I need to group the monthly details so that only these 4 pillars show. To group a column or columns, you need to first select the columns. In this case, I'm selecting CDE, representing January, February, and March. And once these columns are selected, I'll press Shift Alt right arrow together. When you press Shift Alt right arrow together, you get the option to group rows and columns. In this case, we choose columns. So when I do this, I get this grouping bar displayed. I can fold using the minus and plus sign here. I'm going to do this for the rest of the quarters. I don't have to go through this. All I need to do is highlight the columns and press F4. What F4 does is it repeats your last action. So highlight these 3, F4, highlight these 3, F4. Now the effect is when I click page 1, I get this folding up and it gives me only the quarterly summaries. If I press page 2, I get the details. You could also go downwards, that is group rows, in the same manner. So I'm going to just display the subtotals. So to do this, I'll highlight these 3, press Shift Alt right arrow, and then choose rows. So I will now go and then highlight these 3, press F4, and then for these bunch of expenses, highlight and press F4. So again, at this level, when I press 1, I get only the subtotals displayed. If I press 2, I get the details. To ungroup rows and columns, all you need to do is open it up and then select the whole worksheet from the top left corner and press Shift Alt, this time around left arrow, not right arrow, to ungroup. So this, I'll choose rows to ungroup, Shift Alt left arrow, and I'll choose columns to ungroup. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send our short videos to you directly on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos and give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.